Hello my lovies, how is everyone today? I want to keep my intro short, but I want to do a shout out for my girl Sarah McGlory. She just recently started up a new beauty channel and I'd love for you to go and check her out. I think she's only got 1 or 2 videos there, but I think she's going to be really good, so go check her out. I'm also going to do another shout out in just a second. I'll link everyone's link down in my description box. Follow me, subscribe, hit the bell, follow me on social media. I'd love to see you there. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, today is eyelashes, eyelashes, eyelashes. I have done all of my makeup and I have even done my setting spray already. And this was something that Robin's Beauty over 50 said not too long ago, to put your setting spray on before you do your mascara, because then you don't get the little blops and drops of mascara on your under eye. So that is an amazing tip, so thank you Robin for that. I have known her for just a really short period of time here on YouTube, but amazing tips, and I'm always learning. I'm always loving somebody who has just something a little bit extra, so go check her out as well. All right, so today I am just going to do eyelashes, and I use the Urban Decay Perversion. This is a really beautiful wand. I love how it gives really good mascara on my lashes, and all I do is just start at the base, give a little wiggle, and then pull up. Start at the base, give a little wiggle, and pull up. So that's what I do to put on, and then at the very tips just kind of run over them so that you get really good disbursement of the mascara. Now, a tip I picked up from someone else years ago, I don't know, is when you're finished with your first eye, go ahead and dip it again, your mascara wand, and then do again the second eye, so that you're not receiving less than the other eye. You know what I mean? Does it make sense? I hope it makes sense. So again, just down at the base and wiggle and pull up. Down at the base, wiggle and pull up. And the reason you're wiggling is so that it actually, the mascara grabs onto your entire lash and completely coats it. I love how this really doesn't give, it gives just the right amount. It doesn't give too much, it doesn't give too little, and I really like the disbursement. I like how much is actually on my lash after I'm finished. And then of course I'm gonna put false eyelashes on. And so this is the mascara that I use for my upper lashes. Now, I know this is going to be super bougie, and ladies, you know what, if you're struggling with cash and whatnot, use the drugstore products, because they have some really good quality stuff out there. I am so impressed by how some of these drugstore companies have been stepping up and creating amazing products. So if you're using Revlon or Maybelline or I can't remember anything else right off the top of my head at the moment, but they have some really good stuff. So this one is Clinique, and it is really super tiny. There isn't a name on this, but this is again in black, and I'll show you the wand on this as well. It's super tiny, and this I use just to put on the mascara on my lower lashes. I'll just show you. So of course, dip it in, and and then I just run it along my lower lashes, and then kind of flick them up so that they don't ever really even touch the under eye area at all. And I like how this just gives a beautiful little coat. And again, I'll dip it in a second time and then come over to my other lashes over here on the other eye. And again, just gently run it along there, and then flip up the eyelashes on the lower portion of my eye. So that is how I do my mascara. All right, ladies, that is my final look. thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this wasn't too confusing. Maybe I'll figure out how to do a better false eyelash tutorial. But thank you so much for joining me. I love each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.